Okay, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. Today training topic is very, very important for the site inspection and testing. So training is for inspection and testing. And it is presented by, I'm Rezaur Rahman, Senior PVC Engineer, Darel Handasah Consultant. Okay, so anybody has idea what is ITP? Inspection and testing plan. Huh? So what is the purpose of inspection and testing plan?
You show the test to be carried and the frequency and the criteria to accept this one.
Exactly. Huh? So that means inspection and testing plan will determine which inspection, because lot of activities is going on outside. Huh? Okay. So all activity no need to submit WIR, right? For example, curing. Curing is one activity, no need to submit WIR, right? So some activity we need to submit WIR, some activity no need to submit WIR. Huh? So this document will determine which inspection should be submitted WIR and which should not be, no need. But you have freedom to inspect anytime. Okay. And testing also same. So which testing? Because testing is requirement. Some are education disability, some are taka. So accumulating all, we have to put in the inspection testing plan. In this case, it will be very clear for the stormwater or sewage which testing should be done and how it will be accepted. How will know that it is accepted? How will know it is passed or failed? So this is generally actually. So what is mentioned is theoretical. I already explained to you. Inspection and testing plan is a structured quality control documents that outlines the requirements, frequency, and criteria for inspection and testing materials for workmanship during a project. It ensures compliance with contractual, regulatory, and industry standards. Okay. Now I'll go to ITP to understand what is ITP actually. Yeah? Then we'll go for presentation again. So this is the ITP submitted by NBH and we approved it. So if you see the summary, I can make it zoom, it will be clear. Okay. So if you see that progress description first, then frequency of testing, that quality inspection, acceptance criteria, reference, okay, control forms, like that. Huh? So this I'm showing you to understand the later presentation. Okay. So again, I'm telling you project description. Okay, process description. Okay, description. That is which activity or which, I mean, I'm going to the inspection. This will be better to understand. Huh? For example, first activity is survey, setting out, excavation, and formation. So this is the, so this each pipeline, frequency each pipeline, quality inspection is visual inspection. Okay, acceptance criteria. How will know it will be accepted? So it is mentioned if the activity fulfill this criteria, then it will be accepted. W will be approved. Then reference specification. It is a specification reference or British standard or ISO or a lot of standard. Right? Oh. I already show you, right? This one. So this is a bigger skin. So this I already explained to you. Huh? Explain to you what is the ITP. What information? Ahmed, are you clear? If anybody not clear, just raise your hand. Huh? So The purpose of the training to understand clearly. Huh? So everybody should understand, not only one or two. Okay. So this ITP, first the activity, for example, backfilling work, then frequency is the each test for each 100 meter of pipe trench backfilled. Okay. Then quality inspection, visual inspection, this one. If you see the bottom, this legend, W means witness, H means whole point, R means review, A means approval, S means surveillance, TPI, third party inspection agency. Do you have idea what is whole point?
Well, the meaning is stop at this point until the consultant finishes inspection.
Exactly. Okay, so first whole point. We saw that H, right? In the inspection, H means whole point. Contractor must submit WIR. And we must check WIR. Either approve or reject or whatever. Okay. So if any inspection, if contract consultant is ITB mentioned, H means whole point, and contractor is mandatory to submit WIR. Otherwise, they cannot do the activity. Okay. It's clear, right? Okay, next, witness. What is a witness? Can you tell, anybody can tell what is witness?
Witness like during.
During, no.
No, witness
You-
you are watching the
Responsible person.
Like a test, like a level checking for the service side.
Exactly. Witness basic for testing, basically for testing. So for the witness, contractor has to submit WIR, but it is not mandatory for consultant to inspect the witness. For example, third-party testing. Lot of third-party testing, third party is doing. We are not inspecting. We are inspecting randomly. But as per requirement, they must submit WIR to notify us. Otherwise, we will not know that which testing is going on, what they're doing.
Sorry, one
What?
question is
Yeah.
mean not third party. Why not consultant inspect before the third party? This is requirement. Consultant should.
The testing,
Testing, yeah, even the testing,
testing, for example, compressive strength.
like hydro test.
Hydro test is site testing actually. This is different. This is not the third party, right? Hydro test
The
is
third party also they are doing witness.
a factory.
No, but sewer line,
Uh-huh.
like overseeing consultant
Mhm.
from Taka, they are doing this witness for this test.
Now, they are witness, but it is done by third party. I will know. At site testing, third party is not involved. This is, you can consider as a inspection actually. Testing means which is third party relevant. That means compressive strength, FDT. Okay. So what is a third party or testing is going on? Contractor must inform us, but we'll decide, consultant will decide either we'll go for witness or not. If we don't go, testing will continue. Contractor, third party laboratory will not stop any testing. They're not wait for consultant. If consultant come, good. If consultant not come, they will continue. So this is the witness. You will just witness. You will see. Okay. Okay, you all it clear?
Okay,
Hamza? Okay. But it is not relevant to the site testing. Site testing is different. Okay. Then review. What is the meaning of review? Yeah, Taimur, are you clear? Witness and whole point. Can you tell me which is whole point?
Means whole inspection.
Okay, I'm telling you again. So whole point, every inspector must understand these 4 points. Huh? Okay. So whole point means a contractor must submit WIR. Must be WIR. Okay, if there is no WIR, that is Alibaba.
What mean? Whole point.
It will go away. Work will be on hold.
Where is the like finish? After there is said that color the whole point. So yes, they will stop the work where they will again start. They will go whole point or other things.
I cannot get you. Can you tell me again?
This is one line. It will be finished up to end.
Mhm.
Then they will start again.
Mhm.
This is whole point or other.
No, other side, they can do it. But
Yeah.
this area, they cannot start backfilling.
Yeah.
backfilling, this particular area, they cannot start next activity, backfilling, until the pipeline is approved. So that will hopefully means you will work will be on hold until it is approved. Okay, the more it's clear. Hold point means it must be what WIR must be submitted and approved to start next activity. Okay. So can you tell me which is witness? Witness means testing. Witness is only for third party testing. Third party testing. This testing contractor cannot do by themselves, or third party cannot do themselves. They have to. Contractor must inform us. Okay. Then we will decide we will go or not. If we go, test will continue. If you don't go, test will continue.
So this witness is only related to the third party, not
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
side yet.
Yeah, no, not support the site, not site. Okay. Okay. Always welcome. If you have any clarification required, you can tap the training required, but make sure that during the training you understand clearly. Shahjad, are you clear?
Regarding the witness, I'm a little confused. Consultants have to be witness for that activity or what?
The testing.
Testing.
Witness means testing. Testing on the laboratory, not for the site. Lab testing, yes. Lab testing. Okay. Any lab testing?
Laboratories or materials.
Yeah, for the laboratory testing. Either material or yeah, sample, whatever. Okay. So witness means laboratory testing. Okay. Are we clear?
Inshallah.
Okay. Very good. Then our review. Review, what do you mean by review? Ahmed, are you clear? Witness and yeah.
Yes.
Witness, tell me witness. What is witness?
Witness, he must test, mean test. He must inform us,
Yeah.
consultant, if the test he will do.
Yeah.
And we will.
But it is not mandatory for us to. It is mandatory for us or not mandatory for us to witness?
It demands us. It's important for us. We decide if we.
Okay, a contractor informed you that we have comprehensive system test or durability test. So it is mandatory to visit or for you or not?
Not mandatory.
Not mandatory. Not mandatory. Yeah? Not mandatory. Okay. Because they are the third party, we have to believe them actually. Third party means the independent third party.
The third party is approved from the municipality. From
Exactly.
that's why
Okay.
we have to.
Okay. Then our review. What is the meaning of review? Hamza.
Review documents or review the reports which is coming from the.
Anything. If you see, it is very clearly mentioned. Has to material submittal, shop drawing, ISO certificate, method statement. So
Documents.
yeah. Okay. And the last, surveillance. What is the meaning of surveillance? Shakuddin.
Responsible party.
Responsible party has to.
Inspection.
Okay, I'm telling you, for example, I already told that curing, there is no whole point, right? I can open the ITP again. So then I believe maybe it will be here. Okay. If you see the first one, A1, this R, that is consultant will review, right? Document review, right?
Yes.
Okay. Material, approved material, statement review, shop drawing review. Okay. Then MIR, this is MIR, right? MIR means whole point. That means we must inspect, right? Okay. Then we can go here. Okay, this is also whole point. HS means whole point, right? Okay. Witness, that means test, ER test. It is wrong, basically, it should be whole point. Wrong. Yeah. Because site test means whole point. If there is no third party, it should be whole point. Okay, here there is no surveillance in the inspection. Surveillance means which activity for what? The curing. Curing is nobody is submitting WA, right? But we have right. After the post concrete, after the pouring concrete site, if concrete not curing properly, we can raise the issue. We can raise. So we can issue SOR
SOR for this.
out of what? WIR, okay, but consultant has right to visit the site.
Like site
And-
visit.
Okay, these are 4 points. These 4 points, and if you understand, that means you are elevated to certain level. Your understanding level is good. Okay. Now I can go back again. Okay. So whole point, witness, review, surveillance. Now, inspection point. Okay. Now WIR. WIR contractor is submitting. How do you know that contractor is submitting all WIRs?
Log of tracking log.
Tracking log. The normal log, what they are normally they are preparing the log. Imtiaz, are you clear all? Okay. Normally contractor is preparing log WIR sequence number, not for particular area, right? Some area is Omgaf, some area is Najir. So all are by the sequence of WIR number, right? So in this log, you will not know this particular manhole to manhole. For example, 5 inspection, they all submitted or not. And most of the contractors are very Alibaba.
Yes.
If you
In this project, mainly they can do because this is lump sum project.
So yes. So now this tracking sheet is very, very important. And this color, they are putting some color that approved means green, yellow means approved is met. So each manhole to manhole, always they are submitting every weekly WIR tracking sheet. I'll share with everybody. Now it's very few. Just you already will see any empty cell or not, any red